Luxury 1 BHK apartment sale in Dubai. Inch and Brick Realty. Searching for the perfect property investment in Dubai? Discover Premium 1 BHK apartments for sale with Inch and Brick Realty. Your trusted advisor in Dubai's booming real estate market. Whether you're a first-time buyer, an expat, or an investor looking for stable returns, this is your opportunity to own a high-demand property in one of the world's fastest-growing cities. Dubai continues to attract global investors thanks to zero income tax, high rental yields, and exceptional lifestyle standards. A 1 BHK apartment is the ideal gateway to this dynamic market. With thoughtful layouts and modern finishes, these apartments typically include a bedroom, spacious living room, kitchen, 1-2 bathrooms, and often a balcony. They are perfect for professionals, couples, and small families. Why buy a 1 BHK in Dubai? These units deliver excellent ROI ranging from 6% to 9% annually, especially in key areas such as Jumeirah Village Circle, JVC, Business Bay, Arjan, Dubai Silicon Oasis, and Dubai Marina. Prices start from AED 450,000 and go up to AED 1.3 million, depending on location and amenities. Most developers offer attractive payment plans, including post-handover and mortgage options. Top areas to consider: JVC, affordable, family-friendly, strong ROI business. Bay, central location, ideal for professionals. Dubai, Marina, luxury waterfront living. Arjan and DSO, budget-friendly with future growth. These properties also work well for Airbnb and short-term rentals. Apartments in tourist-favorite zones like Marina and downtown can earn 30% to 50% more than long-term leases when properly licensed. Additional benefits: lower maintenance costs and easier resale, higher rental occupancy rates, residency visa, eligibility for properties valued at AED 750,000 plus, golden visa, opportunity for investments over AED 2 million. At Inch and Brick Realty, we provide full support, from property selection to final handover. Our experienced team ensures you make informed, secure decisions with access to verified listings, no hidden costs, and honest advice. Start your journey with Inch and Brick Realty and unlock the door to profitable property ownership in Dubai today.